Welcome back. In this video, we will be talking about R packages, where they are, what they are, and how to install them. In R, packages contain fundamental units of reproducible R code. Today, we will be introducing 3 packages that we will continue to use throughout this course. These packages are very helpful in downloading and manipulating data, specifically Word data, from sites such as Project Gutenberg. These packages are Tidyverse, dplyr, and Gutenberger. All of these packages make handling text data very easy using something called the TidyText format. To learn more about the TidyText format, visit Chapter 5 of our book, where we talk more about how the TidyText format is set up. For these examples and for this class, we will be using the Project Gutenberg website. For those who are unfamiliar with what Project Gutenberg is, it is a repository of over 60,000 ebooks that are free. Project Gutenberg makes these widely accessible to download and read, and Gutenberger, one of the packages we will be working with, allows us to download these novels straight into our RStudio. Now that we have that out of the way, let's talk about what packages are and how we download and install them into our RStudio. The first package we will be working with is dplyr, which is a package that allows us to manipulate data frames more easily. To install packages, there are a few different ways this can be done. One of the simplest ways is to type install.packages in your script. Inside the parentheses, you can then type the name of the package you wish to install, which in this case is dplyr. We will do the same code for Tidyverse and Gutenberger, which we also want to work with today. Let's run these 2 lines of code and see what happens. You can see down here a lot is happening in your console. Don't worry about all of this red code, it's simply telling you that your packages have been installed. If you want to install packages on your own computer, you can also come over here to the Packages tab, go to Install, and type the name of the package you would like to install, and click Install. This only works if you are running RStudio on your computer. If you are running RStudio through an outside network such as Jupyter Hub, this option will not be possible and you will have to do the install packages up here like we did above. Now that these packages have been installed, we are going to add them to our library, which opens them for our use. To do this, we will type the code library, and then in parentheses, quotation marks, and then the package we wish to use. In this case, we will be using the Tidyverse package. Again, you can highlight this code and run it, and now the library has been installed. Again, you will have a lot of text down here in your console simply informing you that Tidyverse has been installed. Another way you can do this is to go over to your Packages tab again, scroll down through the alphabetical list, and make sure that each of these packages has a check mark next to them. If we scroll down to Tidyverse, we will now see that the check mark has appeared next to it. If you do not wish to run this line of code, you can simply click the check mark in the Tidyverse box. Again, keep in mind that this is not possible if you are running something like Jupyter Notebook. Now that Tidyverse has been installed, we can install another package within Tidyverse called Gutenberger, or Gutenberg R. This package is the one that allows us to access and upload or download texts from Project Gutenberg's website. Again, we will type install packages and then Gutenberg R, run this line of code, and you will get a bunch of installation notifications. After it has been installed, it will appear in your user library, and now you can either type library and then Gutenberg R and run this code, or you you can scroll down to Gutenberg R, which is here, and you can click the checkbox. You will see that in your console, this line of code, Library Gutenberger, has just been run. It's the same as running this above. Now we have our packages installed, and we can get started on handling our datasets. In the next video, we will show you how to manipulate these packages and work with some of the tools they contain.